Slide the lock body in the door pocket and secure indoor with 2 wood screws. Insert the spindle adapter into the outside trim of the lock body. With the door open, slide the outside lever and rose assembly onto the door and lock body. Insert the spindle into the inside trim of the lock body hub. Slide the adapter plate assembly over spindle and screw in place. Tighten the rose firmly onto the adapter plate assembly. Slightly rotate the rose counterclockwise for the holes to be aligned. Secure the rose with the security set screw using a security Torx screwdriver. Attach the inside lever and secure the security set screw using a security Torx screwdriver. Place the spring in front of the collar and insert the cylinder through the 2 pieces. Thread the cylinder into the lock until the cylinder face is flush with the collar and the logo is in a horizontal upright position. Tighten the cylinder clamp screw and wood screws to secure the lock in the door. Secure the front plate to the door edge and check levers for proper operation.